Have you ever stopped to ponder what a codec is? The term might sound a bit techy and mysterious, but it's actually quite straightforward and plays an essential role in our digital world. A codec, which is a portmanteau of coder-decoder, is a software used to compress and decompress data. It's a bit like a digital translator, converting raw data into a compressed format and then back into raw data when needed. Imagine a codec as a tool that crams all your data into a small suitcase for easy transport and then unpacks it again when you've reached your destination. The primary purpose of a codec is to make big data files smaller so they're easier to store or send. This is vital in the world of digital media, where files like videos and audio tracks can be gigabytes in size. With a codec, these massive files can be shrunk down to a fraction of their original size without losing too much quality. There are numerous types of codecs, each with their own strengths and weaknesses. Some are excellent for video, others for audio, and some are versatile enough to handle both. For example, the H264 codec is widely used for video compression, while MP3 is a popular audio codec. However, it's not just about making files smaller. Codecs also play a critical role in determining the quality of the file. The codec used to compress a file can significantly impact how the video looks or how the audio sounds. Some codecs are better at preserving quality, while others are more focused on achieving the smallest size possible. In essence, codecs are the unsung heroes of the digital world. They work behind the scenes to ensure that your favorite videos stream smoothly, your music downloads quickly, and your video calls don't eat up all your data. They manage to strike a balance between quality and size, making our digital media experiences seamless and enjoyable. To summarize, a codec is a software that compresses and decompresses data, making large files more manageable without sacrificing too much quality. There are many different types of codecs, each designed for specific types of data. They play a crucial role in our digital lives, enabling smooth streaming, quick downloads, and efficient storage. So the next time you're streaming your favorite show or listening to a podcast, spare a thought for the humble codec, working tirelessly in the background to make your digital experience as smooth as possible.